Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn A. A, a new sound. Do you know? A is a digraph of two letters, two vowels. A, I, E. Both the sound together makes A. It's a story time. A child cannot hear well and keeps saying A, A. The doctor checks the child's ears and finds lots of wax. She gives the child some ear drops. Now the wax has gone. There are no more A. The children will pretend not to hear well, cupping their hands over the ear and say A, A, A. Now it's time for A sound song. A, my heart, I was in pain. What did you try to say? There are some words related to A sound. A, aim. A, aim. A, aim. Aim at the target. The next word, tail. The dog had a long tail. A, tail. A, tail. Now the next word is pain. A, pain. A, pain. Hail. A, hail. A, hail. A, hail. Wait. A, wait. A, wait. A, wait. Now we will do some words with arm blending. A sound. Tail. A, tail. A, tail. A, pain. A, pain. A, wait. A, wait. A, pale. A, pale. A, aim. A, aim. A, train. A, train. A, plane. A, plane. A, man. A, man. A, stain. A, stain. A, fail. A fail. Now we will do the counting of the sounds. How many sounds are there in the word pain? A pain. A pain. 3 sounds. Now in train. A train. A train. There are 4 sounds. Brain. 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 There are 4 sounds. Rain. 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 There are 3 sounds. Chain. 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 There are 2 digraphs and 1 letter. There are 3 sounds. Sail. 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 There are 3 sounds. Snail. 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 There are 4 sounds. Paint. 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 There are 4 sounds. Nail. 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 There are 3 sounds in nail. Jail. 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 3 sounds. Mail. 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 There are 3 sounds in mail. I hope you all have understood the arm blending, the counting of the sound and the sound of A. A and E makes a digraph A. Thank you.